Hey guys, it's Sika and welcome back to the Pokemon Go Nuzlocke. I find it hilarious that they just use the Sprout Tower sprite and don't even bother just keeping it stationary. We're in the Twin Tower. Tin Tower. And now we gotta find our way up to the top and fight us a Ho-Oh. Do I even have any? Oh shit. Well, what am I gonna catch here? Probably a Rattata. I should be getting paid for this. Well, whatever, we get to see the majestic Doof. And we're just gonna slam his face. 20 levels above, and Doom's on the verge of leveling to level 43, so hey. Oh, really? Come on. Just a little more? Do I even have Pokeballs? Pretty sure I stocked up. Yeah, I got 20 Ultra Balls. Now, I'm not saying I'm not going to catch it, but I'm gonna try and catch it. I think it's this way. I've been up this tower so many times, I should know off by heart which way to go. Because between Pokemon Blue and Pokemon Gold, this is the Pokemon game I played the most. I remember constantly resetting my saves after I beat Silver and just making my way towards the end. Okay, yeah, I'm making good progress. I think this one, it's right down. Left, down. Right, down? Well, at least I ran into another It's just Rattata. It's... God... I'm getting to Ho-Oh on a mountain of Rattatas. Or Rattatas. I used to call it Rattatas when I was a kid. Because, you know, rat-ta-ta. But obviously some people call it... It's tomato, damn it! Rattata. Actually gonna think of Rattata sounds really weird. Okay, well, am I going the right way? Did I go the right way? I did not go the right way. Shit. Oh well, hey, free item. That's fine, all I've done's gone down one level. And hey, free stuff! Wait, where's this taking me? Okay, yeah, okay, so that's if you get that bit wrong. Okay, so I'm back here. Okay, so no, this way? Did I just waste my... Yes, I did, I just wasted my... God. Great, okay. Right, alright. A Ghastly? Oh boy, oh. I'm gonna fund away of you. Because I don't want you getting away. And I knew you were gonna do that. You know what? Ultra Ball, let's do this. Preferably before Doom starts getting hurt by this. Well, it took 25 more episodes than before, thanks to Disappoint. But we finally got a female Ghastly. Right, Female Ghastly. Ghastly. Female. Female Ghastly. This seems like a Glin to me, with a double N. This Ghastly's feeling like a Glin to me. Right. Okay. So so I'm pretty sure it was right down, and then I think it was straight down. I guess. Another one. Okay. Well, I mean, it'd be great, but oh yeah, right. Doom can't do anything against this. I mean, it's got Dragon Rage, but that thing has clearly got more than 40 health. And then straight down. And then right down. Yes! Spot on. And I think this is the second to last. Well, it's the last floor before Ho-Oh, but it's the second to last floor in general. Another gaslight. Am I the only one that finds it a bit creepy that, you know, it's got what looks like a bullet hole in it? Like, when I saw the ghastly sprite, the first thing I noticed was the dot in its forehead, and my brain was just like, that is a... Oh, God, okay, I think this one, it's like you choose a max revive. I don't need a max revive. God, which one was it? I don't remember which one it was. It's like the last floor, and I don't remember which one. I think it's the next one. No, that leads me back down. Okay, I think it's the second one. I think it's this one. Then, I mean, it's having me go a very linear path. Wow, okay. Alright. Okay. Shit. I was not expecting to get here this quickly. Yeah, I'm gonna give Butt-Bite to this. I think bad things are about to happen here. So my plan is drown this bitch. And if it's low enough, then throw. I remember when I first played this game and I got the mouse spell, I wasted it on Ho-Oh. Surf. Let's see what Butt-Bite can do against this. Great. Okay, so... Oh, cool. Hey, that's great, actually. That's actually fantastic. If I can keep Fosgit to use Recover, I can eventually just will it down. So it's got Sacred Ashes, which massively... Okay, so it's got Swift, Sacred Fire, Recover. Oh, this might be the one. Gust, that was the last one. How much damage did that do? Oh, this legendary bird is mine. You are mine. I never said I couldn't catch a legendary Pokemon. So this is mine. It's also an event Pokemon. Fuck. No, I'm going for this. You cannot stop me. You cannot and you will not stop me. I'm gonna throw another Ultra Ball just for the hell of it. Can't hoping that you'll do another Recover. Nope. Okay. Hey, that works fine. That's great. Hey, that's great. As long as I don't crit you with my Surf. I'm about to crit with Surf, aren't I? I'm about to kill this legendary Firebird. Oh, no. Okay, cool. Hey, do another Recover, please. Sweet. Thank you. Alright, and then if I Surf, and then Bite, it should be in the keyword, be fine. Or you can keep, how much PP does Recover have? I think it's 20? I want to say 20. But what I'm waiting for the crit. I'm waiting for that crit. I'm not going to be surprised if I crit. If it keeps doing that, then Surf is going to keep whirling it down. So, Swift, Sacred Fire, which is a really powerful move, Recover, and Gust, I think. I think Swift is its other move that it hasn't done yet. Okay. Do not... God, okay. I'm going to make a gamble here. I'm double gambling here. I'm gambling on it not hitting being a crit, and I'm gambling on it having just a sliver of health left. Okay, please don't Recover. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'm gonna Ultra Ball you, and I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope. I'm not even gonna do the whole B thing, because that's a myth. Really? You... Come on, man. Oh! Safeguard! That means I can't do status effects on him, isn't it? Yeah, I think that means I can't do status effects on him. Wow, you're stubborn! You got next to no health. Wow, that's 2 out of the 5 moves? Yeah, 5 moves, I think. 1. Fuck! Okay, so this is number 2. It's a fire move, so it's not very effective, but he's got Sacred Ashes, which makes it stronger. It's a very powerful fire move. That did absolutely nothing. I'm burnt, but I have a berry. This is why I brought that shit. Has it used recovery? I wonder if I've used up all its recovers. This... Okay, no, it's still gonna recover. I can't do anything to it, though. Yo, why the hell not? I will literally use all my Pokeballs to try and catch you. Just the fact that it did it once there. Okay, now to heal Buck Biter. I got a couple of max potions. I'll use them. I got a few max potions, I got a few full heals. Perfect! Now I can get back to smashing the crap out of you again. Because you're back to full health. So I'm pretty sure that Ho-Oh is practically dry on safeguards now. Not safeguards. You know what I mean. Okay, so now I just start chomping away at it. Ripping off pieces of its flesh. That works. So it's used recover. I mean, it's used recover almost as many times as I've used surf. So if I run out of surf before it runs out of recover, then can confirm recover has 20. I'm fine. I'll just bite. Cool. Safeguard all you want. And it's not going to stop me from trying to catch you. Keyword being try here. I'm actually kind of getting annoyed here. You've kind of burnt through, how many? About 6, 7 of my Ultra Balls here, and you're still doing that. You're still doing that, and I don't appreciate that either. I thought you were out of those, or was that your 5th and final one? I forget how many Sacred Fire has, but I should be fine. So a quick look. God, is that like a guaranteed burn? Is that a guaranteed burn? You know, I couldn't figure that'd be a really good ability to have. Okay, so heal. Yeah, heal. Then burn heal. Or full heal. Yes, you still have that? Well, whatever. You know, I'm a nice guy. I'm gonna let you heal up. Wait, do I have a burn heal? No, I've only got full heals. Okay, that's fine. I'm fine. I'm cool with using my full heals. I'm planning to buy more anyway. Alright. So you're no, actually, you're low. You're still high enough, I think, for me to not kill you unless I crit. I'm still waiting on that crit. Sweet. Okay, that's 6 times you took. 3 of them miss, 3 of them hit. Yeah, it looks like Sacred Fire is a guaranteed burn. I dare full heal. Yeah, I'm gonna full heal. I'm gonna full heal Butt Biter just in case. Great. Okay, fine. Great, fantastic. All right, you're making it a lot more difficult for me here. You're making it more difficult than it needs to be. Alright, Safeguard. I don't know if flinching would be classified as a stat ailment. Damn it, really? That's fine. But I guess we can basically confirm that recovers like 20 PP at this point. You've recovered so many times already. Oh god, what if it's 30? It's 30, isn't it? Look, Ho-Oh. I'm almost out of surfs here. But at the same time, I can outlast you. I've got enough potions. Okay, so I can't let Butt Biter go below 50. Otherwise, a Sacred Fire crit will kill. That's if it ever gets round to that. Oh, come on! I was so... Oh, God. Really? Okay. You know, I'm just gonna bite you. I'm just... God, this is like fighting an endgame D&D monster. You know the one that takes like an hour to kill? Just because there's like either so many moves or so much health. You know those kinds? Yeah, this is what this is feeling. And it's only a level 40 Ho-Oh. Okay, it's gotta be 20 then. It's gotta be 20, because I'm basically dry on surfs. Whatever, I'll be fine. Again, as long as I don't crit. Haven't had a single crit yet, which is actually good. Alright, Gus, that's fine. Right, I think it's a good time to heal again. So we'll use another Hyper Potion. Best burn through the lesser potions. And by lesser, I mean anything that isn't under the name Super. God, really? Come on! I thought... Really? This isn't Pokemon, this is a generation long Pokemon game where everyone has a Pokemon, where here's the end of everything. You will run out eventually. Okay. Ultra Ball. I'm gonna run out of Pokeballs before I kill this guy, aren't I? No, I mean, I'm gonna run out, you know what I mean. Alright, it's using Gus more. Gus has 35 PP, I believe. Now, the fact that he hasn't used Sacred Fire again leads me to believe that he's run out of them. Oh no, the Pokemon broke free. Whatever shall I do? I will try and capture this person. This thing. This Pokemon. So, 20. Okay, so I'm still not going to let myself go below 50. God damn, why are you doing this to me, Ho-Oh? Got 7 Ultra Balls left. How many will you how many are you going to break through? And what am I even going to name you? If I catch you. Oh my god, really? You've still got... I'm out of surf, aren't I? Yeah, I'm out of surf, so I gotta just bite. Just bite, and then if I run out of bites, then I gotta rage. But at least now I know for a fact that, how much PP does Recover have? Seriously, how much does that have? I'm pretty sure Safeguard has like 20, but, you know, it's Safeguard. It's not exactly very deadly. All it does is prevent status ailments. Well, if it starts spamming Safeguard, which it is... Oh, have I burnt through all its PP? I'm gonna keep a little bit of its health remaining just in case, and it uses Flail. Cannot, though. It has to have more gusts. It needs to have... There we go, there's the gust. I was saying, there's no way that it was out. I'm gonna probably heal up Butt Biter. Well, it's a good thing that I got to the top of the tower quick enough, because this entire episode has just been Ho-Oh. so it's 21 damage a pop. So 42 on a crit. But I'm not planning to go below 50 anyway in case he pulls off a surprise Sacred Fire. Which he probably will if he has any to spare. Again, I don't know how many Sacred Fires he has. This is just getting ridiculous now. I mean, at this point, Buttbite is just getting impatient. Like, Buttbite is pretty sick of this at this point. Oh, yep, that's another dust. Alright, that's fine. Down to 2 Ultra Balls. How sad would it be if I caught this thing with a Pokeball? Nope. Alright. Final Ultra Ball! And then we'll be down to Great Balls. Okay! I'm gonna have to kill this thing, aren't I? I'm going to generally have to kill this thing. Great Ball it is. Let's see if you're really better than Ultra. Nope. That's not a good start. That's not a good start at all. You know, this episode has literally just been me throwing Pokeballs at Ho-Oh. Like, if you could summarize this episode with but a singular word, it would be balls. And lots of them. So many balls. Like, an unbelievable amount of them. And this bird keeps taking them. Keeps taking all my balls. Well, I guess this allows me to clear out my bag a bit. Too bad it's not like Pokemon Blue, Red, and Yellow, where all your items were in a single pocket. So if I had like 1,000,001 Pokeballs, this would be fine and dandy, but it's not, so it's not fine and dandy. Because why can you not let me... Okay, well, the fact that he hasn't used Recovery yet, leads me to believe that he's completely out of them. I'm also led to believe that this thing is a dick at this point. It's genderless, so hey, I don't need to... You know. I mean, just the fact that the Great Ball actually wobbled once is pretty amusing to me. Okay. Last Hyper Potion. You gotta be running out of those gusts by now, Ho-Oh. You're using a lot of safeguards, so I'm going to assume that you're nearly out. I'm nearly out of Pokeballs, mind you. I can only throw this at you 17 more times, so if you could be so kind as to get in the ball. That's the complete opposite of getting in the ball. I mean, this thing's probably gonna kill itself. It's gotta be at the end of out of its PP at this point. Like, it has to have been just completely out of PP now. The fact that it's using only Gust leads me to believe so. Imagine if Flail did more damage than, like, Sacred Fire. I don't have a single Pokemon that has, Sleep, does it? Let's see, what Pokemon have I got again? I got Buttbiter. Nope. Brookhead, I sacrificed Hypnosis for Confusion. Blue Chew, well, that one's just completely out of it. What other Pokemon have I got on me? 2? Okay. Alright, 2. You did it twice. Okay. You know, I'm probably gonna make this a 0.5 episode. At this point, because this entire, like, 15 minutes has literally just been me throwing balls at this damn thing. Like, that's all it's been. Balls everywhere. Alright. Okay. That's fine. I got 9 more chances on you. Yeah, sure, I'll use a max potion. Why the hell not? Nothing wrong with using one of these. Especially since, again, you're gonna run out of PP soon. So it looks like Sacred Fire has about 6 usages. Which is one better than Fire Blast, and I'm pretty sure Fire Blast doesn't guarantee burn, which, that's a nice status effect. You know, halves damage, that's a nice one. It's basically poison plus a damage debuff. Actually, it's a pretty good status debuff, honestly. It's a shame that not a lot of... Like, I think that's probably why people like Will-O-Wisp, you know, the move that applies burn, because it's not... Because I think it has a really, really, really low chance on every fire move. But obviously Will-O-Wisp hits, like, if it hits, it's gonna burn them unless they have something that makes them immune to it. Which I think only... Yeah, I don't think fire Pokemon could get burnt after Gen 3. Don't quote me on that one, I ain't played Gen 3. Well, I haven't played much of it. Let's go run out first. Oh, you bitch. That was my last Great Ball, too. I'm down to Pokeballs. I'm gonna catch you on one of these, ain't it? And it's gonna be absolutely it's gonna be an embarrassment for you. The great legendary Ho-Ho. Captured by a... Just captured by a Pokeball. Like, that's just embarrassing. Woo, that was a crit. That was a crit indeed. Can't use muscle for that either. Razzle is a no-show either. Christ, it's got so many safeguards. I never actually used safeguard because I never fought a lot of foes that depended or used status effects. I'm gonna have to kill this thing, aren't I? This thing is gonna die, ain't it? Oh yeah, no, this thing is gonna be dead. It's got 2 chances for survival at this point. It's got 1 final chance of survival. This 1 Pokeball. It's either going to seal his fate in a good or a bad way. It's gonna die! Okay. I gave you a chance, Ho-Oh. I gave you a chance. You could have joined me. You could have hung around in the friends box. But you forced my hand. Nah, screw it. I'm just gonna bite you. You forced my hand. That is a shame. Hi, Wade. You here to congratulate me? I just killed the legendary... Holding the bug catching contest. Stay at the park. Are you gonna go? Nah. And I can't get the Sacred Ashes, which would probably be a good thing to have. Well, with that, it's gonna be time to head to the Pokemon League. So, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you all next time. Bye-bye!